Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to pack up all of my planners and planning supplies that I will be taking with us on our Christmas trip. So I think I shared this in a couple other videos if you've been around or if you've seen them. We are going on a longer Christmas trip this year. So I am going to take a pretty big bag of planning things because a lot of the time we will just be relaxing at my parents' house. And as we see different family, there will be quite a bit of downtime in between all the things that we'll be doing. So I don't always pack as much as I'm about to pack for a normal trip. If we were going on vacation where we had, events planned every day and stuff, I would not take very much at all. Maybe a little on-the-go planner or one planner for the trip or something. So keep that in mind as I share this with you. But I do want to share with you how I'm going to pack for this trip. So I'm going to be using a pretty large bag. As I said, I'm taking quite a few things. So this is a bag made by 31. I don't know if you heard of that brand. I think they still are in business and sell things. It's actually been a long time since I checked them out, but a long time ago I got this bag along with a bunch of different totes. Their totes are phenomenal for carrying groceries inside the house, and then other things too, like going camping, and just they're awesome. But anyway, that's the bag I'm going to use. It's kind of large, as you can see. It has a little front pouch here, and then on the inside, this has been through a lot, so it might not be super clean in here, but on the inside you have just a big open area in the middle, and then you have an extra pouch here and a little zipper front pouch, and then two kind of elastic pouches on the side. And at different times, taking this bag, I'd use these for water bottles or different things like that. So this is a handy bag for anything, but for this trip it's going to be for my planning stuff. So set that aside for just a moment, and then also this should be able to fit nicely in there with my planners is the hope anyway. This is an awesome little pouch that my husband actually got for me, and this is what I'll fill with all the pens and accessories, tools, the extras that we need to go along. So let's get started. I'm actually going to start with this one. This is a 3 pouch, so you have one on this side. This is a large one that I usually put all my pens and markers in, and then on this side you have 2. One is just basic, just another little extra pouch, and then one does have some extra compartments in. I do have a few things in here already, a couple oil rollers, and then we'll fill this with some more stuff. So let's start real quick with this side, and I'm just, you guys, gonna grab most of my pens. So I'm grabbing all of my colorful fine liners because I use these a lot. So we're throwing all those in there. I have another stack over here. Here's a black one. Actually, I do want to make sure the black ones I use the most. So I just kind of want to take a glance at, we have one here and one here. I'm gonna grab a couple more. So this is the pack I've been using. As you can see, I'm getting a little bit lower. I'm gonna have to grab another one, but I'm just gonna throw 2 more blacks in there because I use those most often, and sometimes I'm not paying attention to when they're almost out because I use them so much. So just in case the other 2 were getting dried up, I'm gonna throw 2 more in there. I may say a quick note, these pens last so much longer than I thought, and they are awesome. I will link those below if you've not tried them, and they're super, super cheap, like not in quality, but in price. So that's why I was surprised at what good of quality they are for how cheap they are price-wise. Okay, and then I'm also gonna grab my click art markers by Zebra. I love these. We're gonna throw those in there. And then this is my other kind of pen thing. I don't think we'll throw in the mild liners this time. Might have just a normal pen in there. And maybe my ruler. I think that will be good. I do also have these other Pilot pens I'll throw in there. Okay, so that is good for that side. Let's flip it around. This side that's just kind of open, a lot of times I just put like my sticky notes in there, and I love to always have sticky notes. So we're gonna throw some sticky notes in there. I think Actually, one more thing. I am also going to be taking my hard drive, my external hard drive, because if I have some extra time, I'm going to do some more, moving videos onto there and organizing some things. So this is the little hookup to go between the hard drive and my iPad. I'm just going to put it in here, and then I have my hard drive that I still keep in the box that I'll put in the bag. Okay, I think that's all for here. Now we're gonna go to the other side, and this is where I like to put my tools. Well, and I also have a few, like the oils. I have some shea butter for my hands, and I usually throw like chapstick in here, and nail glue. Now I know that's a weird place to have nail glue maybe, but I always have it at my planning station just in case I have to, doctor up one of these nails. Okay. Then we are gonna need whiteout. And I'm out of my Tombow. Tombow's my favorite. I think we'll see. We'll maybe put that in there. Tombow is my favorite whiteout, but I'm out of that. So I do have a couple other ones we'll grab. This is like a roll. It rolls on like some washi kind of. So we'll just leave that in there because I use that sometimes. And then, oh, these are the other things I was looking for. So my X-Acto knife, always have to have that in my tweezers if I do any decorating. And I think that is it for the tools that I'll need. Okay, the other thing I just thought of, because I see it sitting over here, is my washi tape. I don't need to take all of this, but I'm probably going to reach in here and grab a few out. Like these cute little skinnier black ones, all different designs, like black, white, and gold. And then since it's kind of Christmas season, we might grab the greens just in case. There's just a few more spreads I'll probably be decorating while we're there, and then a lot of what I'll be doing is writing in it. And I plan to spend some time like working on my goals for the new year too, so just maybe making a goal page or two. We'll see, or at least making notes of what I want my goals to be. So we will throw these kind of randomly on this side, making sure it's not getting way too wide here. Okay, so there's my pack of accessories. So let's set that aside, and then let's go ahead and get the big bag up here now. And I kind of have my planners pulled out, ideally how many planners I want to take on this trip, which it's going to be a lot, you guys, but we'll see how it fits in here, and then there may be some that I change my mind on. So we're of course taking my planners that are still for 2021. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, you guys. Hit the camera. Okay, so that are still for 2021, and then I'm hoping to take my faith planner for 2022 because it starts on December 27th. Some of my planners for the 2022, I'm just taping those pages together so that I can start them on the 3rd rather than the week of December 27th, because that's technically the week that January starts. But with faith planner and fitness, I'm hoping to start them the week of December 27th. So hopefully we can get those in here. And then I do have my daily, which I won't necessarily need a lot, but if I can, I'll just continue to record in it to finish it out for the year. And then my catch-all, my social media. This is important because I do want to keep, of course I'm trying to film and take pictures and everything like that before we leave, but I want to keep posting and everything, so that will help me stay on track with that. And then my journaling planner, so time to journal. And so it seems like they'll fit pretty good. This is a very nice wide bag. And then this leaves a little bit of room for my pack. That will just slide right in here. And then I do want to get a few sticker books in here, so I have some options. We can go on the side. I don't know if they fit in, oops. I don't know if they fit in this little bungee side pouch that I showed you. So like I said, we have a couple more Christmas spreads, so we'll take a few Christmas sticker books. I'll have to double check, but I think these are the ones that I still have spreads that I planned to use these books. I did recently do a video where I shared how I planned out all of the December spreads, and so I'll link that above or below, but I think these are the ones that are left, so I might double check that before we actually leave. But let's see if they might not fit in there. I'm just trying to see. I can't remember if I ever put them in there, but oh yeah, it seems like they do. Maybe just not. Oops, out of camera view. Maybe not just trying to get them all in there at one time. So the sticker books can go in the little bungee pouches, and I have two on. I have one on each side. So there we go. Then the only other thing that I think we can actually slide right in here too is my hard drive. There we go. And then I'll also be taking my iPad, which I'll probably just slide right in between two of these planners. I don't have it near me right now though. So there is the inside. We have my stickers on both sides. We have all my planners in the middle, my hard drive, and then my pouch that had all of my pens and tools and everything in it. And then that is, I think, all that I need just to be able to kind of plan on the go and enjoy my planners and my journaling planner and things like that while we're on our trip. And then this pouch in the front, sometimes I will just use it to throw my cell phone in or any random thing right in there as I'm hauling this around. All right, well, there you guys have it. Do you guys take your planner stuff on trips? Like I said, it depends on the kind of trip that we're going on. This is much more than I bring on other types of trips. But yeah, if I ever do a quicker trip or a trip where we're a little more busy, I might show you how I pack a smaller planner bag, or just how I add some of my planner stuff into my purse for that trip. So I'll try to remember to do that when that time comes. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, kind of seeing how I pack my planner stuff. I'm super excited to have a little bit of downtime with everything that we just stuck in this wonderful bag. All right, well, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.